The field of 3D reconstruction recently has been shaped by two main technologies which have been revolutionizing this field: NeRFs and Gaussian splatting. Now, 3D reconstruction is a problem that has been worked on for a long time. It's a very important problem in computer vision, and there has been numerous methods in the past using traditional ways, using ways that have been augmented through the use of neural networks. And the idea is to be able to reconstruct the 3D environment from images, and this problem has been studied for a very long time, but recently in the past 3-4 years we've had a lot of tremendous progress in this field, and we're going to talk about two techniques here, NeRFs and Gaussian splatting, and we're going to compare these two techniques, just general overview type discussion, and see what are the advantages and disadvantages. So stay tuned until the end of the video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Dhruv. I am an engineer at Convolve AI Inc. And at Convolve, we assist enterprises with the problems that they have that could be solved using AI in computer vision or in language processing and all other fields. Here is our contact information. So if you are looking for some assistance, feel free to contact us. We would be happy to assist you. You can email us, you can go on our website, fill our contact form, and we would be happy to assist you going forward. 3D reconstruction, photogrammetry, this problem has been studied for a very long time. There have been so many different ways to tackle this problem. However, in 2020, there was an advent of this technology called NeRF, Neural Radiance Field. This was a paper that came out of Google Research, UC Berkeley and UC San Diego, and they introduced this technology called Neural Radiance Field with tremendous performance. The good thing about this method, or the revolutionary thing about this method, was that given a few images, you could learn the representation of a scene, and you would be able to render novel views of different of that particular scene. You can render views from novel camera viewpoints that were not seen during the training data with very good quality as compared to the methods of the past. Not only that, you would also inherently, just from images alone, learn the depth, the 3D structure of the environment that you use to train your NeRF model. So at that time, this was a huge breakthrough, and it led to a series of work since 2020 onwards, and we've seen so much progress in the field, and this has been applied to the field of autonomous driving, to real estate mapping, to the field of simulation, you name the field, and this technology has influenced that field in one way or the other, and especially the field of cinematography is going to be revolutionized by this technology. Now, why was this technology so good? Well, even before, there used to be ways to be able to generate from images, learn the environment, and to be able to generate novel viewpoints, render images from novel viewpoints. However, they were not very good. Through NeRFs, using the technology that was proposed in the NeRF paper, the authors were able to get very realistic rendering. So they leveraged the power of neural networks, and it was not a very complicated architecture. It was just the introduction of a neural network, and it was just an MLP, a multi-layered perceptron, which is the most basic form of a neural network, into a traditional rendering pipeline. And the way this was done was so beautiful that it rendered such amazing results. Now, following NeRFs in 2023, in SIGGRAPH, 3D Gaussian splatting was introduced. So in 2023, 3D Gaussian splatting paper was introduced, and this was an extension. You wouldn't call it an extension, but it was basically a new method, a new way to achieve similar results as NeRF based method would achieve. So the problem setting was same, given images from different viewpoints captured in a scene. The idea is to learn that scene and to be able to render images from novel viewpoints. Now the way 3D Gaussian splatting would work is from the scene you would use the images of that particular scene to initialize the scene using a point cloud, and then you would learn the parameters of Gaussians, and these parameters would be scale, rotation, the positions, the color, spherical harmonics, which basically define the color presented by that Gaussian. And once you've learned these Gaussians, then you can render the scene. And not only that, you would also learn the geometry, the 3D geometry of the scene. Now, why was this technology of 3D Gaussian splatting introduced in 2023, and what was the improvement that it suggested over NeRFs? The most important breakthrough and the most important advancement over the NeRF method was the speed of training and rendering. The method of Gaussian splatting was a lot faster to train and a lot faster to render as compared to a NeRF-based method. A NeRF-based method based on the internal implementation used to take, for complicated scenes, it could take like hours to days for training. Then NVIDIA introduced instant NGP, which made the training a lot faster. However, still the methods struggled with the training time, and also at the time of inference it would also be slow, just because of the sampling and the amount of queries involved in the way that method works and the method is implemented. Gaussian splatting, on the other hand, was a lot quicker to train, and at the inference time it was also a lot quicker, which made it more suitable to be applicable to these new settings, new environments, and practical use cases. As we move forth in this field of NeRFs, Gaussian splatting, and 3D reconstruction in general, the field is headed towards even faster training, and mostly people are working towards online training of these models that can learn the 3D environment and online inference. So that is what's coming next. It's very exciting, and I think this year in the CVPR conference, the conference on computer vision and pattern recognition, we will see work on online training. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this gave you some understanding of NeRFs and Gaussian splatting and what is the basic difference between the two. I'll make more specific videos to talk in detail about these methods going forth, and to make the videos more detailed. This was more of an overview. Going forth, I would also try to do some videos where I talk about these methods in details and show you some of the results and some of the implementation tricks that can be used to get these methods to work. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to the channel so you are notified about any new video that we upload. Again, if you need any assistance, if you have questions, you can feel free to contact us. The contact information is in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.